Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Brasia Kitchen. I this share Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. Today we're making the easiest and tastiest rice ever. Please, if you like what you're watching, do me a favor by subscribing, share, comment, like, and watch the video. Thank you. Into me the oil and me jane egum. A white pepper egum. Any akekedru. Inti me the allspice na me ye no be egum. You will make channel no so. Inti but modern ya na kwehwe ebeboa. Me de me kwa awo awon crush nso egum. Me de me 4 cups omo egum. Ti say me de me nsu egum. Me de me nchine egum. Ona yes so cool. The aroma here. You say aroma na wa han. Eyi hu amankasa. Inti me de me spinach en erigum. Okay. Me turmeric no so egum. Na me de me beetroots. Egum. Yay, wash aduane na ye kama sei akono na ne de no de ene ni hwam eyi wanka ho me say eyi ye beetroot ene turmeric ene nkontomre spinach beetroot and turmeric yes and I kama sei ahoɔden so bu me wo me nyina ahoɔden bu coconut oil could be anwa na me use natural spices. Yes, dry ones. Tino, udia. Undia de pony. Paucho. Marine Fisa will be commenting. Will like a video, will share. Thank you. One subscribing, so bombarding and not subscribing. Thanks from Brasia Kitchen. Love you all. Stay blessed.